Variation is normal. When we did our research on weight loss program, we found that every subject react differently. Hi, my name is Harry Freitag. I'm going to tell you about the variation of weight loss during a weight loss program. I'm a dietitian, also a researcher at the Department of Nutrition and Health. And what I did in the last 10 years is investigating a weight loss program using lifestyle changes, including diet and physical activity. And the first thing that I found that everybody react differently to a weight loss program. Either it was done by diet only or diet and exercise. If somebody's doing low-calorie diet, which is a standard regime for doing weight loss, they usually losing weight in a different pace one into another. What we found that if somebody's losing weight faster and somebody's losing weight less fast than the other, it could be because of several things. The first of all, it really depends on the initial body weight that they have. If somebody have higher body weight, they usually reduce more weight in a certain amount of time than somebody with lower body weight. And that's normal. That's why we're not only calculating the weight loss as in kilo, but also calculating the percent of weight loss, in which we also compare the amount of weight that being lost with their initial body weight. So the first thing is the initial body weight. The second, it really depends on the compliance of each client or each subject in the case of research on the dietary regime that we gave them. Somebody can really do it well. Somebody can really using that menu or the recommendation that we gave them into their daily habits. And this becomes a problem. Therefore, it's very important for us to always check in a certain period of time whether they be able to comply, whether the subjects or the client be able to comply to the diet that we gave them, and if there is any barriers. There's a lot of barriers in weight loss program as well as barriers in doing what they have to do, like reducing amount of foods that they have to eat or changing the foods that they eat. The barriers could be social, could be psychological, could be monetary. There's our willingness, really. Somebody wants to lose weight, but don't really want to change the way they eat, and that's become a problem. Therefore, it's very normal for somebody to lose more weight than the other. It's not fair to compare one to another because everybody have different struggles in their life. The third factor that can contribute to variation of weight loss is genetics. It's been studied for a very long time that genetics plays a role in how body adapt or affected by food and diet. Certain people can reduce more weight than the other, and genetic variation that involve in a lot of process in our body can influence that weight loss. Certain genes that involve in energy metabolism, for instance, can vary between one to another, and genetic variation in adipose tissue could be influencing that system. So it's very important to keep in mind that genetic factors has a role here. If the client lucky enough or be able to do genetic testing, it would be very helpful to see whether they actually carry a gene that makes them hard to lose weight. And the fourth is lifestyle itself. When they did a diet, when two persons did a diet or doing a diet and they eat the same amount of calorie and they also have the similar body weight, they carry the same genes or almost similar genes. And what happened is that if their lifestyle doesn't change, it might affect their ability to lose weight. For instance, somebody who's really very active in life, such as they do exercise or they jog or they walk to the office or whatever they're going to their daily activity, might lose more weight than those who are sedentary. So physical activity plays a role here. If somebody is more active, they tend to lose more weight than the one who's not very active. Therefore, physical activity, exercise should be part of weight loss program It's not just diet, but also the clients need to be more active, doing more exercise, anything that they love. And they could be very start. And our target is around 150 minutes a week of physical activity, like very active physical activity or an exercise such as bicycling and running or jogging or going to the gym, lift weight, and some other physical activity that they enjoy. Those factors can influence variation in weight loss. Therefore, it's very important to keep that in mind and be able to assess this during the monitoring process of each clients, showing that if they want to lose weight and they cannot actually, it's not fair for them to compare with their peers on how much weight they be able to lose.
Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you are still interested to understand more about energy, appetite regulation in the context of weight loss program, please click the link at description. We have classes at Udemy for free just for you. See you.